Welcome to Stoke Driving School, and today we're going to look at positioning and logic over emotion. So keeping your position when you see cars, especially when they're coming towards you and you really want to steer away, but remember, away is our side. So nice clear road. So imagine you've got your position, you think, yeah, I'm all sorted, got my position in the road, all good. Then cars start coming towards you. Now the bigger the vehicle, the more likely you are to steer away. So what we need to do, we need to find techniques for this. So if you have a look here in the door mirror, you can see the white line, and the little mirror you can actually see it even better. So what we do, that's our logic, so we know we're not over the line. So then we look at the vehicles coming towards us, and if they're not over the line, then we know we're in a good place. So try it on your next lesson. It really does work and it really builds confidence. Good luck.